Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to the Euro YouTube channel. Today we're going to be debunking some detailing myths so you can up your detailing game. Let's go ahead and get started. Myth number 1, using more polish and wax equals more protection. That's actually not true because you can overuse it and it's not going to give you the shiny results that you're looking for. Instead, use a less absorbent coating applicator like our suede microfiber sponges that have a laminate barrier layer in between the exterior and sponge inside. This prevents the sponge from absorbing too much wax or coating, saving you time, money, and product. Myth number 2, it's okay to use cotton towels on your car. Even though we use cotton towels for everything, it actually isn't the best to use on your car. You should use microfiber towels for effectively picking up and trapping dirt, grime, and grease within the fibers, delivering a scratch-free, lint-free, swirl-free finish every single time. Myth number 3, you can use any cleaning product to wash your car. We've even seen people use dish soap and hand soap on their car, and that is not good. It's not good for your exterior because it can take off the protective layers and lead to oxidation, and also it's not good for your interiors because excess foaming can lead to mildew in your car. It is best to use products specific for each area of your car so you can have long-lasting protection. And make sure to dry off the excess product with premium microfiber towels. Myth number 4, you can use all towels to clean windows and screens. Although all-purpose towels are great, we're going to need a product that is specific for these areas, and it will give us twice the results. We have our glass weave windshield and glass cleaning towels to leave a streakless clean, and our suede electronic screen cleaner to make sure you get those fingerprints and smudges off your screens. Nuh-uh. Myth number 5, you can use the same towel or wash mitt on the tire and body of the car. This is not the best idea because you're going to take all that dirt and grime from the towel and spread it around the whole body of your car. To prevent scratching your paint, use separate mitts or towels for the detailed job. And even when using towels, remember to use the 8-fold method that gives you 8 fresh sides to work with. Myth number 6, using a single bucket to wash your car. Actually, this is not the best idea because you're going to just keep dirtying up the water and take that dirt and grime and putting it back on your car. That's why we suggest a special method to wash your car. This method is called the 2-bucket washing method. Use one bucket with diluted foam soap and the other with fresh water for rinsing. Myth number 7, it's okay to clean your car from top to down. Most people don't pay attention on how they're sectioning off their cleaning. First, you need to clean your tires and wheels first to prevent the dirt and grime from getting onto your car, and then you move on to the rest of the body of the car. Using our chenille wash mitt is the best way to wash your car because the dirt gets trapped deep into the chenille fibers and avoids scratching. Myth number 8, not drying your car after washing it. If you're new to auto detailing, you have to understand how important it is, even after using a spot-free wash, to dry your car. Because if you get water spots, they are going to stick to the paint, and that's not good. You can use our amazing drying towels for a perfect streak-free, swirl-free, lint-free drying experience. If you are interested in our drying towels, check out our video that we did, link in the description. Myth number 9, it's okay to dry wipe on your car. Actually, this is false because you're going to be scratching your paint. It is very important to use lubrication while wiping, whether it's wax, coatings, any other product for your specific purpose. Make sure you're not dry wiping. Even when you're attempting to just dust off your car, it's always smart to either spray it with water and foam to remove it and wipe it down using a microfiber drying towel. Or use a rinseless wash and wipe off the excess with a good quality towel. And that's the end of this video. We hope that debunking these myths are going to help you have a successful detail next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below which myth you found most interesting. Thank you and have a great day.